Wow!
Gusto niyo ba yun? Yung aking sound effect. Pati nga ng, we show your pom-pom prop. Ooh. Okay. So, first time ko gumawa ng video. My first time to make a video. So, bear with me. And I just wanted to show you my first impression of this cushion compact I ordered online because I'm a little bit obsessive and this is my current obsession. And so I want to take you to my journey of my obsession. So if you want to see my first reaction to this contraption, keep watching.
Reaction to this contraption.
Keep watching. Hi! Yay! Nakuha ko yung... Saan ka ba tumitingin? Ah, doon. Ayun. May audience ako. Oh, hi! So, nakuha ko na yung aking cushion na make your own DIY. So, ayan. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. Tapos, sorry nabuksan ko na. Ayan. So, ito siya. Ganyan. Tapos, bubuksan. Sabi ko, oh no! Walang mirror! Paano ba yan? Walang salamin. How can I check myself? How can I retouch? And then, of course, my very smart daughter here showed me. Hello! She showed me ganyan pala, oh. Look, kasi walang mirror. Diba? Oh, meron pala. Ayan, meron akong assistant. Ayun! Ayun, nakita mo siya, oh. Okay ba? Ayun, may isa pa akong assistant. Ayan. So, okay. So, meron siyang salamin. Ayan. Excited na ako. I'll make my own foundation.
Okay, how do you make it?
So, that will be the next video. Okay. Hi. So, I ordered... Sorry. Obviously, first time ko gumawa ng video. Experimenting.
Did it start? Did it start?
Go. Okay, may sound effect pa ako. Anyways, it's my first time to make a video with my pom-pom prop. And so I want to show you my first reaction to the cushion compact that I ordered.
On the mail.
Yes, and so if you want to see, ow! Nilagay ng anak ko. Ito sticky yan. Tapos, it snapped. On my arm, ang sakit. Nagkakaroon yata ako ng bukol. Anong tawag doon? Bruise? Ano sa Filipino ang bruise?
Bruise.
Pasa. Kakapasa.
Makeup mommy reviews. Yay!